Hello everybody, this is Pat Walker at Mission Winners doing a training coaching video. Things to look for in the charts to make better investing decisions and more money. And I'm just going to share a couple of clean and simple setups that I've used for years to help coach and teach you on what to do. At Mission Winners, this is what we do. Help people find ways to make money with a couple of reliable setups, master them, turn off the noise. We combine both fundamentals and technicals. So here it goes. 5 stocks maybe take a look at for the week. QLD. What do we see on QLD? Well, it's a higher low setup. This low is higher than this low. And what catches your eyes? Well, it fell on pretty heavy volume here, but then look at this bar. It went up on substantially heavier volume than it fell on. Again, 5 stocks, but this is something to really look for, folks. Key on this, and you'll improve your investing results. Now, I'm not saying it's going to work, okay? No, we don't do that. But after looking at a million charts or so, you start to develop a real eye on what has the most consistently worked. And the higher low setup is pretty good. NVIDIA, if you remember other videos I've made, worked really good. Higher low setup. We'll look for follow through. What do we want to see? I said it. Follow through. Take out these highs of this bar and continue onwards. I'm going to stress one thing for everybody. This is not like a clean and simple base breakout. It's riskier. It's less reliable. How do you control risk? If you buy less shares. So there's number 1 for you. By the way, this has a B- accumulation distribution, which is better than SSO at this point in time. There you go. Here's the next stock on the list. Here we are. Varonis. What do we see about Varonis? VRNS is the ticker symbol. And I'm punching up fundamentals for us too. By the way, if it's not good and it's not on the list, yeah, it's got a composite rating of 94, B plus accumulation distribution, relative strength is 91. See this simple base right here, and I'll draw this for you. I share this with everybody. Focus on simplicity. Why? Simple basis. It's easy for everybody to see. If everybody sees it, does that not increase the probabilities that A, they see it, and B, they'll buy? Yeah, B plus accumulation distribution going across these tops right here. It's in the top 10 groups. Earnings up 200% last quarter. Composite rating 94. You can see the base. Just take out these tops right there going across that line. That could be a possibility. Let's do another one here. Tesla. Tesla has been a monster for us through the years. I mean, even right here, but there were far bigger moves than that. All right. So we're taking a look at Tesla. And by the way, good buys help us. We bought this. This is a good lesson. I want to show this. See this clean and simple basis? I'm not making it up. Clean and simple base entry across these tops here. 1. Clean and simple base entry right here. Add it on. Look at the volume. And look at the move. That's a good move, folks. That's a real good move. And then sells. Sell here. Sell here. Last sell right there. Sells into strength really help us. Losing key moving averages and doing it on volume. Took the gain and ran. And it's good we did because that's a pretty substantial drop. You'd have given back all your profits. Well, what's it doing right now? It's just basing here. You can see a little shelf right here that's forming. And by the way, I'll stress again, yes, it is a maxlist stock. Going across this little shelf right here. By the way, good volume on this bar. Good volume on this bar. Drops off, basing here. Notice this, it lifted up a little bit on Friday. And again, 5 stocks. Just kind of looking at them. Please note this. I'm not saying, oh man, these things are going to explode. Nobody knows the future. But after looking at a lot of stocks, you developed a kind of a keen sense on what has potential. Just clean and simple base right here going across these tops. What do we want to see? Well, you know what you want to see. You want to see a good market, right? And you want to see it lift off with volume. I do like the volume pickup on Friday. Continue onwards. Here we go. Workday. You can say, well, look at that. Look at this base going across here. I like this. And what catches your eye? A, simple basis everybody can see, right? It's nothing fancy. Simple base. And what else catches your eye? Pushing through on volume. Good volume pickup on Friday. You know, the market's really been pretty crummy. This is hanging in. It's showing strength. It's showing relative strength. It's showing strength relative to the market action. So taking out this top cross here could be a potential buy. Go small in this market. Just wanted to share with you. And we're going to round it out with one more. 5 of them for the week. What do we have here? Visa. It's everywhere you want to be. Gosh, they ought to use that, shouldn't they? Okay. Anyway, clean tops across here. Take out these tops. This is a max list stock. Take out these tops with volume. Could be a potential buy. Anyway, that's 5 stocks for the week. I do stress, please focus on clean and simple. Look for volume surges when it pushes through clean and simple tops, and only buy when A, the stock's acting okay, and B, the market's acting okay. All right? The M in Mission Winners is the markets. Don't argue with the markets. You'll be much better for it. And I hope this helps you and have a good week. And I thank you.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.